Can you move?
A little.
The spell. It is wearing off. Summer.
Nigel. She's gone.
I saw it with my own eyes, but I still do not believe it. I knew this was too dangerous. I should have tried to stop her, but there is no stopping her once she gets an idea.
Oh, Nigel, you shouldn't blame yourself.
I don't.
Oh, great. So you're mad at me too.
No, I am not mad. I just need Summer back.
This is actually pretty cool. It's like flying.
Yeah, if you don't mind your stomach and your throat.
Any idea when this is going to stop?
I can do this all day.
Or not. That wasn't painful at all.
Take my hand. Let me help you up.
Thanks, Damon.
Why does this look like our old high school?
Wait a minute. I've been here before.
I know, I just said it was our old high school.
No, I mean I was just here. With V. We were looking for that Sorcerer's Cup thing to bring back Nigel's memories.
Why? Was the cup here in your high school?
No, we were jumping through portals and we ended up here. And I saw us, only it wasn't us, but it was. And we were younger.
Summer, did you hit your head? Because you're not making any sense.
I can prove it. I just gotta find out what year it is.
There's a message board right over there.
Perfect. See? It's 2019, our senior year of high school.
2019. Now that was a good year.
Are you telling me we're in the past?
We are not just in the past. We are in the past in another dimension. And here, your name is Chloe and my name is Sophie. Look, it's on this drama club flyer.
This is too much.
Yo, are you telling me I might have a doppelganger running around here too?
Possibly, if vampires even exist in this dimension. Oh my goodness! What if we just brought vampires to an unsuspecting world?
That's exactly what just happened.
Then you bite someone and this whole world turns into Planet Vampire.
I would never do that. Give me a little credit for having some self-control, will ya?
What if this planet has a red sun that makes you do crazy things?
A red sun? That's pretty out there.
Or better yet, green glowing rocks from an alien planet that make you shine like diamonds.
Really, Summer? You believe in aliens?
This coming from a vampire.
The real question is, does magic even exist in this dimension? Otherwise, how are we gonna get home?
Good point. Okay, first things first. We find Damon's brother, then we figure out how to get back to our time and dimension before vampires take over this world.
I was so hungry. Thanks for lunch, ladies.
No problem. But, you got a little ketchup right there.
Oh, how embarrassing. Is it right here?
No, it's right there.
Here?
Yeah, you got it.
Thanks for looking out. And thanks for these burgers. They're amazing. Hey, do y'all want one?
No thanks. I'll have to pass on the rare burger. I have a plant-based diet.
Yeah, I'm more of a mushroom burger kind of girl. Well, hello there. Sophie, Chloe, aren't you going to introduce me to your charming new friend?
Charming? You didn't just see this guy inhale 3 burgers.
Carmen, this is... Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Nick. Klaus. But you can just call me Nick.
So, Nick, was it? What is it that you do?
I'm a student. I go to the university.
Well, you must be a science major because we've got chemistry. Okay, well, on that note, we're late for drama club, so let's get going. Nick, it might be safer if you come with us. Callie, why are we in the theater?
The flyer said they had drama club today. Don't you want to meet our younger selves?
What? Have you never watched a sci-fi movie?
Oh boy.
Meeting ourselves in another dimension could disrupt the space-time continuum, leading to a catastrophic event that could destroy the whole universe! Except for when it doesn't. You know, there are a lot of movies where they say that, and then when they meet themselves, nothing actually happens.
How many times do I have to tell you? You can't cite science fiction like it's a fact.
What other reference do I have? Stuff like this doesn't happen in real life. And for your information, Star Trek had FaceTime and cell phones years before they were invented.
Is no one else concerned about the universe possibly exploding before we find Nick? Because I am.
Right. Aren't we supposed to be trying to find Damon's brother instead of searching for our younger selves? I mean, it's not like he's gonna just walk through the door while we sit around here talking.
Damon? Nick?
You?
You!
Convenient. I didn't see that coming.
We have to find V and get her to open the portal and bring Summer back.
Nigel, V is long gone by now.
So what? Are you just going to give up?
There's nothing we can do without V's magic.
Hello? Oh, hello, Mother. Yes, I know I'm supposed to be on a plane right now heading back home, but it is Summer. She is missing. What? That is not good news. I am not distracted from my future. I know I must come home and learn the family business. Summer is not common. She is unique. She is one of a kind.
Okay, what is going on here? Hi! Why do you look like me, but old? And why are you wearing my favorite shirt?
Did she just call me old?
I am not old, thank you very much.
Is this what you have to deal with?
Can you say drama queen?
I heard that, young lady.
You're Damon's brother?
You two know each other? Well, kind of. I never caught your name.
Can someone please explain what is going on?
This may sound a little weird, but we are the two of you from another dimension. The space-time continuum!
Yep, that's definitely Summer.
We came here to find him, who is his brother.
If you're Damon's brother, does that mean you're also a
Ventriloquist? That's what you were going to say, right, Callie? Ventriloquist.
Is ventriloquist code for vampire?
Yes, Damon. But can we get back to the part that actually concerns me? You know, where you were saying that you are me? You like sci-fi, right? It's only my life. Have you ever seen Star Trek Discovery? Yeah.
Oh.
So you actually are a ventriloquist?
Yeah. Sorry I didn't tell you. It's not something that normally comes up in conversation. Is that going to be a problem?
A ventriloquist from another dimension. That's not scary at all.
Man, I'm just glad we found you. I don't know what I was going to tell Dad.
So, other me, is that our boyfriend in your universe? Who? Him? Damon? No, he's just a friend. Are you sure? Because he looks at you a lot. Are you serious? Damon? No. Look at you over there starting trouble.
Did someone call my name? There has got to be something.
What are we doing back here? V is gone. And aren't you supposed to be at the airport?
Yes, my mother has threatened to take away my inheritance. But I must know that Summer is okay. There must be something around here that can help.
Like a crystal ball, maybe?
Jazz, that is perfect. But, How does it work?
Let's try a direct approach. Crystal ball, show me Summer.
There she is! I can't believe that worked!
Oh, look, and there's Damon. Uh-oh.
What is this?
Excuse you, Damon. Personal space, please. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you over here. I was just explaining to Sophie that we are just friends. Great. Are you telling me I can't get a boyfriend in any dimension? Actually, I have someone special waiting for me back home. If I can ever get back home.
Hello, everybody!
Nigel? To be continued on the next Summer in Cali.